Today's tutorial, how to customize and style barcodes in C#. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we'll explore how to customize and style barcodes using the IronBarcode library in a .NET application. First, ensure that you have the IronBarcode NuGet package installed in your project. If not, you can easily add it through the NuGet package manager. Moving to the program.cs file, import the IronBarcode namespace and set the license key for IronBarcode. Begin by creating a PDF 417 barcode with a specific URL and dimensions 300 by 100 using the barcodewriter.createBarcode method. Export the created barcode as a PNG file named output.png. Resize the barcode to a smaller size, 250 by 100, using the resize to method, and save it as useResizeTo.png. Create a CodaBar barcode representing the value 12345 with dimensions 250 by 100 pixels, and then export the CodaBar barcode as output.png. Now resize the barcode using mils 1/1000th of an inch, resize it to 20 mils by 0.73 inches, and save it as useResizeToMil.png. Change the color of an Aztec barcode created from a URL. Set the barcode color to dark khaki and the background color to forest green. Save the colored Aztec barcode as coloredaztec2.png, and this illustrates how to customize barcode and background colors. Create an Aztec barcode with a larger size, 500 by 500 pixels. Change the barcode color to dark cyan and the background color to peach puff. Add an annotation, IronBarcode rocks, above the barcode using bold Candera font in dark orange. And then display the barcode value below the barcode using a regular Cambria font in sandy brown, using add barcode value text below barcode method. And then save the annotated barcode as annotation and barcode value.png. All right, so let's run the application and see how these customizations are applied to the barcodes. All right, the customized barcodes with annotations and varying dimensions are now generated and saved, and you can see it in this output folder. Barcodes clearly reflect that the resizing, changing color, adding annotations, and displaying barcode values using IronBarcode worked. So explore more advanced features of the IronBarcode to further enhance barcode customization and styling in your applications. So go ahead and explore more advanced features of IronBarcode to further enhance barcode customization and styling in your applications. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from us. And if you'd like to get started with IronBarcode, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.